Hi Elise, welcome to Waltz Street. It's a 360 video, so you can grab the screen with your finger, or if you're looking on your phone, you can turn around on your phone and look around. So you don't have to just watch where we're walking. Where are you hiding, Blake? Alright, step in the front door here. Alright, I'll just get the camera here for a minute. You can grab the screen and look around the room. Have the goggles on, you can go back and watch these videos, and it's like you're actually in the house. You see it 3D and everything.
Only like 4 seconds, 5 seconds.
Into the breakfast nook here. Quartz countertops. Samsung appliances. Powder room. Laundry room. 3-car garage out there. Step into the master. If I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video and then drag the screen around and look all around the room. There's the John. Walk-in closet. Alright, we have 3 bedrooms this side of the house. Bedroom 1. This is a good sized room. We did notice that the carpet in here, it's new, but it has really thick padding, which you usually don't see in flip homes, so that's very nice. This is the smaller bedroom. It's to be about 10 by 11. Here's the shared bathroom. And the 4th and final bedroom. Again, pretty good size. Has a walkout to the outside patio. This is a pool-sized lot. You could easily stick a pool over there to the right or to the left, whichever your choice. Alright, that concludes Waltz home.